We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.